Oh no. Oh no. Oh look, and there's like a massive chunk.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey,
Ladies, okay, so it's that time of year again when I decide to get my kitchen scissors out and cut my fringe. So I've actually just off camera just trimmed the ends of my hair, and all I've done is literally get a tail comb it right down like this, and then literally just like nick the ends off because it's been really like snappy. But as you can see, oh, there's like a really weird thin bit there which I hate. And then it just sort of like goes into this massive chunk. So I'm hoping, I've got the mirror just up here, and I'm hoping to be able to blend this bit, right, and then do this bit over here. So it's got really long, as you can see, and I want it to start sort of about here and feather its way down. So I'm going to, they say if you want to cut if you want your fringe to go on this side, then you have to sweep it over like this. Now I'm not quite sure why. I'm guessing it's because it, and then what do I do? Just cut it? Because surely that's going to be, if I start cutting there and go down, then this bit over here is going to be shorter, isn't it? That doesn't make any sense. I'm not going to do it like that. Okay, let's have a little look over here. So last time everyone was telling me off for holding the scissors wrong. So I'm going to try and hold the scissors sort of at an angle rather than just cut straight across like this. Because last time I was holding the scissors and just like cutting. So I want to be holding the scissors kind of like that, yeah? Is that right? Am I doing it right? Okay, I'm like really scared and I don't actually want to cut too much. Is that it? Did I do it? Why is that bit still blunt? Am I doing it right now, guys? Am I doing it right? Come on, we've got to learn from our mistakes from last time. And I've got a whole week off work, so if this goes wrong, we can just go to the hairdressers at a later date and do it right. This is probably like really snagging all the ends as well. Okay, we're getting there, we're getting there. Oh my god, you should like see the amount of hair that's on my floor already. Matt's gonna be like, what's been going on? Is it okay? Are we doing it gradually? Is it dramatic? It's not dramatic at the moment. It'll be dramatic in a minute when I'm crying though. Little. You're gonna say hi, ladies? My face looks so shiny, I've just put some cream on it. No, you can't climb up there, no.
Huh?
Yeah, thank you. Oh, good boy. He's getting tired, but he won't admit it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the back of my hair. But I do want to blend it in, like. Okay, am I doing it right? I feel like I'm doing it right this time. I'm not doing it right, am I? I need to. Ah, why does this keep happening? Why is it so blunt? I don't get it. I want it to be unblunt. Can someone come and cut my hair for me, please? These are actually so blunt. Oh no. I was cutting it at an angle. This is going bad. Why did that have to happen? Right, I'm doing the angle, guys. I am doing the angle. Oh no. Oh no. Oh look, and there's like a massive chunk. Look how much I've just cut. Girls, what am I going to do? Oh my god, it's like really, really blunt. Right, should we try the thing where we move it over? Let's try that. Right, I've seen lots of people do it like this. Which way am I cutting? Am I cutting like this? You see my hair and my dignity just like completely disappearing. Right, now I'm going to comb it back over and it's going to be good, right? No, this is not a good look. No. I think I need to go to the hairdressers. Look! Why is that? I know what we're going to do. This is the thing that I do, look, when it goes wrong. In fact, when I hold it forward like that, it looks really like I've just cut it like that. That's better. Oh, I should do it like this. Guys, I think I'm doing it. Look. Did I do it? Is it good? That's a lot better. Good. We won't worry about the fact that that's like fucking stupid. Because when I wet it and straighten it, it'll be... Right, okay, let's leave that, otherwise it's going to get really short. Let's blend this bit in here. Okay, good. We've got like more of a blending thing going on now. That bit there is really blunt. Let me just try and thin it out. Does that look better? Yes. No. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh no, how did that happen? Why is there a short bit in between? Oh, I see what I've done. It's okay. It's okay. Midlife crises don't have to be this scary. Okay, I think I've got to leave it at that. I would literally love to know in the comments down below if you guys have ever cut your hair and if it's gone really wrong. My last video actually went a lot worse than this, and I think this is quite cute. Look at that. That's actually okay. God, I look really shiny from my moisturiser. And then as for the ends, I think they're quite even anyway. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to me for free to watch more videos and follow my journey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!